Welcome to the Calculus, a collection of micro lectures, video lessons, and sample exercises. Let's compute the antiderivative of this given rational function using the substitution rule. So this same example previously was already solved using the chain rule, and let me just take note of that result so that we will be guided on the verification whether our answer is correct or not. According to the chain rule in the previous video, the result was 3 over 4 times 4 minus 2x raised to the power of 2 plus c. This is the antiderivative of this given function. Okay, so let me also check that later using the substitution rule. So we have here the integral of 3 over 4 minus 2x. You have here cube dx. So when writing this into an expression with negative exponent, 3 times 4 minus 2x raised to the power of negative 3 dx, and moving out a 3 in the meantime because we would like to isolate only the functions with x. So you have here 4 minus 2x negative 3 dx. Okay, so again, this would be our target, and let's verify if we have the same answer using the substitution rule. So we let u be equal to the function this function here. Okay, you will have equal to 4 minus 2x. So this becomes a 3, an integral of u to the power of negative 3. But since you also like to make this as du, because we are now changing the variable into u, using the substitution form here, when we derive the both sides according to their respective variable, this becomes du is equal to 4 is 0, right? But negative 2x becomes negative 2 since it's in terms of x dx. Again, it's negative 2 dx here. But since we would like dx but not negative 2 dx, so when we divide both sides by negative 2, you have negative 1/2 du. That is the equivalent form of our dx here using the substitution rule. So basically you will have here times negative 1/2 du. Since negative 1/2 is also a constant multiple, moving that out, you will have your negative 3/2 integral of u to the power of negative 3 du. And this form is now similar to the form of power rule. We have here the integral of x to the power of n dx. When in this case, it's u and our n is negative 3. This is equivalent to x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. You have here plus c, where our n is obviously not equal to negative 1. It's negative 3 here. So using that, to continue, you have here negative 3/2 as a constant outside times u to the power of negative 3 plus 1 over, you will have here negative 3 plus 1, which is actually plus c here. Or you could have plus c later on your own time. So we will have here negative 3/2 times u to the power of negative 2 over negative 2 plus c. Multiplying the constants, you have your negative times negative, you have your negative and negative, so you have positive 3/4 u to the power of negative 2 minus 3/2 c, or again, just c in itself because it describes all types of variables, arbitrary constant. We don't want negative exponent, so you have here 3 over 4 u squared plus c. We move that out to make this positive. So this is the result after your substitution. But since our u is not already in the previous given, and u was previously identified as 4 minus 2x, so we return into that. U is equal to 4 minus 2x. So this becomes the final answer, 3 over 4 times your u, which is 4 minus 2x squared plus c. This is then the final answer using this method. Comparing it to the result in the previous video using chain rule, we have the same answer. So again, it's now up to you which you will be using, the chain rule in the previous video or the substitution rule discussed here. Basically, you will get the same answer. So what are you waiting for? subscribe now.